about to start storming and we're at Disney. There's a tornado warning and it looks like everyone is leaving the park. I even asked a cast member and she said they might be closing down some of the rides. So we're trying to decide if we should leave the park or if we should stay here and weather out the storm. Weather out the storm?
I don't think we're gonna get the option.
To leave or stay?
To stay, like I think we're gonna have to.
You think we're gonna have to leave? Not bad. I think it's backwards. Oh no, it's right. That's I'm sorry.
It's right.
Yeah, it's right.
This is, you get a kid one or one?
Probably. No! Ready?
You gonna put it on there? Hola.
Wait, I have the small one.
Gucci, Gucci.
Ooga ooga.
My fit is
Ooga, ooga.
Yours clips. Y'all, it's starting to rain and they're closing down rides. We're gonna have to leave. Boo, look at us. Oh, it's raining harder. I gotta put my phone away.
I wonder how they built the castle.
Right?
How long did it take?
It's only a while. If you're ever wondering what happens when there's severe weather at Disney, do they close the park? Do they not close the park? They actually shut down a lot of rides and we had to, hold on, where are you? Okay, I want to make sure you're next to me. Hold on. We're gonna have to leave because they're shutting down all the rides and it's raining. And there's like not really a lot of people left in the parks.
Yeah. No cameras.
No pictures, please.
Please, she's famous. Oh, my thing is ringing.
Oh yeah, we passed by something, didn't we?
I wonder if some people look at the stars.
Y'all, it's pouring down harder. Do you hear the thunder? Let me show you outside.
Oh, my papa's heart.
Wow, that's beautiful. Look at how Maine looks.
I think, yeah, Daddy has like washing stuff.
Oh, good.
Clothes.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, they had it really cool.
What do they have? Oh, the star. They do. Whoa.
Oh my neck. Oh. I never got to see Stitch. Oh, I wish I'm over here to play.
For real, right?
Okay. There's like a little hole.
In the shops, me and Sam will go turn it in.
Penny doesn't want to go to the shops.
Oh my gosh.
The thunderstorm was loud.
Wait, did
I think I like this little life.
Hi, this is the 8th time today.
Did you all see that lightning?
Oh my god. It just keeps going.
Oh my god. Yeah, I think it's time to go home.
Yes, we're not gonna go to the shop.
I think it's time to go home. Oh, it's coming down. Get under the thingy. Get under the thingy. No, I don't think it's tornado coming. It's probably just a lot of wind. Let's go this way. Where'd they go? Over there. Grab me. Let me grab your hand, okay?
Wait.
here. Yeah. We're good. Should we just wait here? Or should we start running? She has to go do all the stuff. Let's go. Okay, P. Start walking right there through there. Thank you so much. Now we're gonna walk out through here, go around, and then head that way under the thing, and then we'll start. Either way, the bus's pretty thing is pretty close, no? Alright, Sammy. Ready? Okay, come on, follow me this way.
You can do a video when you know she's a sneakerhead.
For fucking real. Are we ready? Ready? Let's do it.
I don't care about
No, fall. It's fucking raining. We made it.
I'm soaking wet inside.
Hello.
What bus side
Where's
are
the
you on?
buses?
Let's go to the board. Okay, let's go.
Oh crap. Let's go. Come on, B.
Socks are so wet.
This way. That way. It's soaked. It is soaking wet. This is what it's like to go to Disney when it's raining.
Bad. Oh my god, my socks just got so wet.
My socks are wet. Say it again.
Oh, there's a bus.
Socks are great.
We made it. Stephanie. Oh, thank you. We made it onto the bus. Holy smokes, that was crazy. Sam, your socks. Sam, your socks.
Without my shoes.
I can't believe you. They're soaked,
Yeah, I know.
even through the inside.
Why are you like this? She didn't even let me shop.
Oh my
She
God.
didn't even let me shop at my You two were panicking in the morning.
Huh?
You two were panicking. She didn't even let me shop at my favorite shopping center.
She is
Yes.
Calm down and come back for some shopping. We finally made it back to the resort.
Yeah, we got a tornado warning and
Yeah, we got a tornado warning. So we're gonna head back to the room and chill for a bit.
And probably go hop in the shower.
Yeah.